Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a back channel using Padlet. The first thing you'll have to do is go to padlet.com and log in. I'm already logged in here. This is the front page or the dashboard that it brings you to. So what you want to do is you want to click Make a Padlet. And something really cool that they've just added is actually the back channel function. So I'm going to use that. So I click Select. It defaults to a title and description. Feel free to change that, and then you can customize your your wallpaper here by clicking more. You have a lot to choose from. You can change the post color. I usually just keep this as the default. You can also change the font style, and you can add in like a little icon here. Just makes it a little more appealing, but none of that is really necessary. You have your link at the bottom. You can change that if you want something more simple that students can type in instead of clicking a link. Feel free to change that here. And once you click next, this is probably the most important part. I always click on the moderation here on the bottom right because I just don't trust students to always be appropriate when they're asking questions. And so when I click moderation, this allows me to approve any posts that the kids want to add before all the other students can see them. So if they're writing something inappropriate, I can nix it and no one else will see it, and I can address it with that student. So once you click that on, you can click next, and you're all set. So you can start posting. I usually click post in the bottom right here after I give like directions for students. Feel free to write that. You can also click share on the top right here. If you want the direct code, you just click over here on share, export, or embed. I usually just copy the link to this Padlet and I just put that link directly into Schoology. So that students can access it there. It's not blocked or anything on their computers, which is really nice. And that's it. If you have any other questions about it, please just post it on the back channel.